How to use Tabby for the first time, beginner tutorial. So once you have it downloaded, of course, which is the first thing you're gonna have to do, you can do it in the Play Store or App Store. You can of course sign up. If you already for some reason have an account, then just go ahead and log in. But the first thing you'll be able to see once you have the Tabby app open is to select your country. They will provide you with an actual merchant list relevant to the selected country. So just go ahead and choose whichever country is available to the options that you have. Then once you do so, you should be able to log in or sign up. And once you sign up, you should be unlocking most of the features you have for Tabby. You can select the shopping options you have with Tabby. You can browse online or in store partner merchants. Add items to your cart. At the checkout, select Tabby as the payment method. Choose your plan, which is could be 4 installments with an interest fee or other 4 to 12 month options. You can confirm with the 4-digit SMS PIN and your first 25% payment is charged immediately. The rest is somewhat scheduled. You can also manage your payments here in Tabby. You can use the My Payments section tab to view upcoming due dates and transaction history. Enable autopay to avoid late fees, and this app sends reminders before each installment is due. You can also use an in-store and digital card, so after sign up, Tabby issues that specific digital card. Usable in-store via QR or link digital wallet. You can also request a physical card for contactless payments at any retailer accepting Visa. And you can pay over time, so Tabby deducts future payments automatically on scheduled due dates from your link card. Missed payments may incur collection fees, and payment plans may be suspended until settled. You have most of the key benefits with interest-free payments if they are made of time, of course. There's no upfront full payment, just somewhat 25% down, and easy to use, transparent, and widely accepted by local merchants. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. You can always go ahead to Tabby over here to learn more about it. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.